just like to acknowledge my group Vocal Blends.
Ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo lamang, kung kaya giliw dapat mong malaman. Minsan lang kitang iibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan, dahil ang minsan ay magpakailanman. Well, if you done me, you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and tell me you're free. I look into your heart and you find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. There's no need to complicate our time. In short, this is our fate. I'm yours. Do you wanna go smooching over close idea? So when you live on your ear, I was standing waiting, won't you give my time in the mirror? And bending over backward, just try to see it clearer. But my breath forgot like a glass, so I look on your face and I laugh. I guess what I'll be saying is a real better reason to read the song and party and just go with the season. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. There's no need to complicate our time. In short, this is our fate. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn you're free. And look into your heart and you find the sky.